Good, beautiful morning, friends. Today I thought I would take you along with me as I just work on a simple layout of some nature photos that I took. And I got a nice postcard from my son and daughter-in-law when they went to Italy. But right now I'm using my new camera, which is a Pix Pro AZ528, and that's what I took these pictures with. And I loved the zoom. I don't even actually know how to use the camera properly yet, and the zoom was great compared to all my old ones. Now, to some people this is probably still a cheap camera, but to me it was an expensive camera and much better than my old lady phone. So we're going to just put these on here with double-sided tape, and then in this little pocket, you may remember, or this little envelope, I did this little tag, and I'm just going to, journal on that about my nature photos. And I'll do that off camera, of course. And then I just took this picture of flower. I think my husband actually took this one, of a flowering tree that was so pretty, and I'm going to put that on another page. Obviously it won't fit, or I could just tuck it in so as to save a page. I may do that, but I do hate covering up the bunny, and then I want to see it, so I don't know. And then I got this postcard long after my son and daughter-in-law came back. This came in the mail. So I'm going to have the tape on, and now I just need to decide if I want the larger one on the bottom or this way. I think this way. So let's go ahead, oops, put my squirrel down here. Now if I want it to be fancy, I could put a background paper under it, but I really just want this to be quick and easy. So we'll put him there, little goose, and I'll probably just put maybe a little label up here, which I will get out right now. Well, I can see it's a little glossy, but I thought that little green tag looked good there, and I'll just write where it was and the date on there. And now I just have to decide what I want to do with this one, and I really think I'm going to put it on a page all of its own. Like, I don't know. Could actually probably fit two on there. I have another flower one I could print out. So I didn't like how much white space there was left. So I printed out another flower picture that we took, and I thought I could do that. But I don't like that either. Could cut these down smaller too. Maybe I'll do that. Just cut them down a little bit. Okay, so that is what I decided to do, and I really like how that looks. They're cut down just a little bit. They both fit on the page. There's no white space. And then over here I'm going to go ahead and attach this probably this way, because I don't really want to cut off any of this with washi tape, and this is where a solid color of neutral washi tape would be really handy to have, but I don't. So I never use washi tape that much, but I think I am going to get a wider, like a solid color to do stuff like this. Now I have that. Actually, that might look good. So I did end up putting it on the other side, and I just wanted to show you something because I forgot about it. This stamp was the only place you could get this special stamp postmark was at the Vatican, and there's a post office in the Vatican, and it was very difficult for them to get in. The lines were very long, but I did want to just kind of zoom in on that and show you guys the special stamp and postmark. So that's cool. And now we have a little flip where we can start our Mother's Day spread under here. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're having a beautiful day and you're all happy and healthy. And we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.